Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark with GeorgeToon.com. I'm back with another video. Well, this morning I had an absolutely wonderful shave. I had a terrific 3-pass shave. And I wanted to share with you some of the ingredients that gave me such a wonderful result. You might want to incorporate some of these ingredients in your morning shave as well. To start off with, I use the RazoRock Mission Razor. Now this is a 3-piece razor and it comes with a chromed handle. However, they now sell it with a stainless steel handle, but I bought this 2 years ago. It came with this chromed handle. It's a 3-piece razor with this nice weighted chromed handle, a base plate, and a cap. Blade alignment is nice. I do double check after I load a razor blade, but the blade alignment is nice, and it is on the aggressive side. So this is not a razor I'm going to use every single day, but I like to pull it out, provided I'm using proper protection on my skin. It gives me a very nice result. So this razor, again, for me, a little more on the aggressive side. Some wet shavers absolutely love this. You might want to check it out. It's anywhere from $15 to $17 on ItalianBarber.com. The RazoRock Mission Razor. Now with that, I used an Astra razor blade. These are very sharp and smooth, which makes a world of difference. So you're going to get a nice close shave with minimal nicking. I don't think I've ever nicked myself with an Astra blade. This is a very nice razor blade. I recommend you get them. They're in my top 5, certainly my top 10 razor blades, Astra blades. I next used Vikings Blade Pre-Shave Cream, the Black Forest Pre-Shave Cream. This is remarkable stuff. Let me show you. It comes in a tin with a screw-on lid, which is really nice for travel as well. And that's the cream right there. All you do is wet your face, get a little dollop, spread it around in your hands, and spread it all over your face. It does a great job in giving you that extra barrier of slickness and moisturizing the whisker and really setting it up for a nice shave. This is really good stuff. This made a world of difference in my shave this morning. It's called the Black Forest. It doesn't have has a very subtle scent, so it's not going to clash with any of the scents from your shaving soaps or aftershaves or anything like that. Really nice, great pre-shave cream to have in your wet shave arsenal. The shaving soap that I used this morning was the Lucky Shaving Soap. I got this as a sample from Wet Shave Club. This is not a hard soap. It's not a cream. It's more of a crope. And you can see I've used a lot of this in the past. And it is a crope. It's kind of in between a cream and a soap, almost like a paste. You just take some of this and then place that in your shaving bowl, your shaving mug, and you can work up a really nice lather. And this gives you a lot of nice protection. It works up a terrifically wonderful, thick, rich lather that gives you a lot of cushion, a lot of protection. And I think it's because it has 3 key ingredients in there. It has coconut oil, shea butter, and tallow. And I think those 3 ingredients make a world of difference. Has a nice fresh scent. Really wonderful stuff. It's available on Amazon. I'll have a link below. I'm going to order some more. After my shave, I finished up with something that I think is also very important, and that is an alum bar. This is the Osma alum bar. These alum bars are cut from a larger alum block, and it's solid through and through. This should last you at least a year, if not more. Some have reported them lasting 2 years with daily use and proper care. Wet this in cold water and then run it all over your face. It will alleviate irritation and razor burn and heal any small nicks and cuts you might have, any of those micro abrasions. This is an absolute must. Really does a great job in calming the skin. Really nice. A natural antiseptic, a natural astringent. It's a must in your post-shaving routine. I highly recommend getting the Osma alum bar. After that step, I then used a little bit of aftershave splash, the Lucky Aftershave Splash, that has a similar scent to the shaving soap. Nice fresh scent, really did a great job in tightening my skin up and waking it up a little more right after the Alum bar. And then, because I want to moisturize my skin, I used Nivea for Men, the aftershave balm here for sensitive skin. This is a nice neutral scent, again, because I didn't want all these scents clashing. This did a great job. You can find this in your local big box store or your grocery store. It's about $5 or $6 for this bottle. $5 or $6 for this bottle. Really does a nice job, and it's plentiful. It's out there everywhere. So if you ever run out or you're getting low, you can just run up to your local store and get some, or you can buy it online at Amazon. I'll have links below. So those were the ingredients for a really, really nice shave. Again, the RazoRock Mission Razor for me is on the aggressive side, but if you give this a try and you use the proper ingredients to protect your skin, it's going to give you a really, really nice shave. So make sure you use a good pre-shave like the Vikings Blade Black Forest pre-shave cream, and get a good shaving soap with good slick ingredients, good slick ingredients in it, like coconut oil, shea butter, and tallow. I think that makes all the difference in a shave. All right, hey, that's all I wanted to mention to you. Thanks very, very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Comment below. Let me know. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.